Good morning, good morning. Another day. Today's day 3 of my week-long series of showing you every day of what we go through out here on the road. We've been lucky, we've been moving, we've been driving, so we've been lucky on that part to, show you pretty much, we're staying moving. But yeah, we woke up this morning and we are here at our pickup. We stayed here in the small little town that we're picking up in, and got up, got my coffee. Haven't had breakfast yet, but we'll find something. And we're just waiting on the shipper. They have to move some stuff around before they can load us. You got anything to add this morning? Hopefully the shipper hurries up. I'm ready to get on the road. Cut. Hey everybody. So it's just been a long day of driving. I just finished my shift. Stopped off here at a Love's. We are in the southern part of Kansas, getting ready to cross into Texas. And just got fuel. We just done our driver swap. Don's getting ready to take over. We've got 1,229 miles to go. So I'm getting ready to hop back there and do a little bit of editing, and then I will be going to bed. So I thought I would go ahead and end the video here. Guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We really do appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying the daily videos of what we do out here on the road. And yeah, so we'll continue the drive tomorrow. So hope you come back. And as always, keep those wheels a turning. Don't forget to hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon beside that, so that way you get notified of new videos whenever they come out. And leave a comment. Let me know how you're liking the videos, how things are going. And in the words of Miss Janet Jackson, let's keep the conversation going. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.